This is usually what happens during every election in Tamil Nadu. The superstars, as much as the politicians, attract huge crowds, especially once the details of the polling booth is out. But amid a pandemic, the focus is on ensuring everyone maintains norms. In most of these occasions where these superstars came out to vote, clearly the crowds, went out of control. All the norms that are put in place really thrown to the winds.
Yes, Akshita, sadly what we're seeing in the state of Tamil Nadu is as senior politicians as well as, the film fraternity figures have started dropping to polling stations to cast their vote. We're seeing that many people have forgotten that COVID exists and they have been surrounding all these film stars. In fact, as you were mentioning, Ajit was earlier seen losing his cool when he actually snatched away the phone of fan who was trying to take a selfie with him, and then we had seen how Kamal Haasan, who had gone with Akshara and Shruti Haasan, his two daughters, to cast his vote, was also actually asked by other voters standing there to move forward and not block the view. And even in Rajnikant's polling station, we had seen that even the EVM machines, the inks that were kept on the table, all of this was pushed away because of the kind of ruckus which was created around these celebrities. But we have to also mention, Akshita, while these kind of incidents are being reported, at the same time, Election Commission is actually delivering a very, very good election scenario. We're seeing that they've put their best foot forward. The kind of social distancing norms that they have suggested and the kind of markings that they have made, all these things need to be mentioned. Even the polling station that you were in, you would have seen how there was hand sanitizers, thermal checks being done, and even gloves which were being provided to every voter who was coming there to cast the vote. So the Election Commission, though, has taken every step required to ensure the safety of the public who are coming in to vote. It seems like public themselves are forgetting about the pandemic and rushing towards celebrities who are coming there. It is an exciting time for them.
I have to say the same thing, that, while we've been standing here at the polling booth since early in the morning, very clear measures that have been put in place to ensure that, all norms, considering we're in the midst of a pandemic, a bit of second wave, all norms are followed. People are being made to wear their masks, sanitizers across the area as well. Akshaya, for those details, thank you very much for joining us. I want to focus on the larger picture here about what kind of voting we've been seeing in Tamil Nadu so far. From 7 a.m. in the morning, we've seen large queues. It's essentially thinning out now, as you can see also behind me, the number of people slowly coming down. But all your big politicians have already cast their vote, whether it's Chief Minister Edappadi Palaniswamy, the Deputy Chief Minister O. Pannirselvam, DMK Chief M.K. Stalin, his son Udayanidhi Stalin. They've all gone ahead and cast their votes. You had the Chief Minister EPS voting in his bastion, in Edappadi in Salem. You had Deputy Chief Minister O. Pannirselvam voting in Periyakulam. M.K. Stalin, his son Udayanidhi, along with the entire family, they came together and voted at the SIET College early in the morning in Chennai. Stalin also spoke out, urging people to come out to vote. He also said that people are angry with the AIADMK government. As I mentioned earlier, Kamal Haasan also voted early in the morning. He was at Eldham's Road with Shruti and Akshara Haasan. Actor Rajnikant also cast his vote early in the morning in Chennai. You had former Finance Minister P. Chidambaram being one of the first to cast his vote. This was in Shivagangai constituency.